1-inch network cost today is $957,536 United States dollars with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $41,547,610 United States dollars, or so the essentially thought. We update our 1-inch to United States dollars cost progressively. 1-inch network explicitly is down 86% as of now. The ongoing CAN market cap positioning is number 99, with a live market cap of $397,452,237 United States dollars incredibly. It has a circling supply of 415,078,006 1-inch coins, and the maximum in every way that really matters, significant way. Supply generally isn't accessible in a significant manner. What in a real sense is 1-inch token, or so they in a real sense thought. A large portion of you found out about 1-inch exchange, that driving in the sort of decentralized trade, that proposal in every practical sense, best at any point rates for trading with kind of other exceptionally top decks. Notwithstanding, recently Uniswap a main deck stage sent off their sort of token with no pre-declaration, and comparable 1-inch exchange most certainly has sent off 1-inch pretty token in an exceptionally significant manner. Thus, from now organization will by and large be administered by a decentralized independent DAO model following choice of autonomous leading group of organization, or so they generally thought. 1-inch coin are extremely token notable as utility and administration by and large symbolic that supports network permissionless and decentralized approach in a very significant manner. As leading body of organization needed to presented administration in the decentralized money to truly arrive at new level in decentralization, which generally is very huge. According to official certainly entry 1-inch will sort of be assuming control over all convention, as it will generally be utilized in genuinely current and impending convention. Be that as it may, under accumulation administration model all truly token holder who stake 1-inch symbolic will actually want to decide on spread overflow setting. Notwithstanding, spread excess is made while performing trade activity, which certainly is genuinely critical. As at first staker will be set to 0% and spread excess can generally be somewhat guaranteed whenever by referrers and client as 1-inch sort of token. Under liquidity administration convention extremely token staker can straightforwardly decide in favor of commonly significant choice of organization that incorporate cost influence cost, exchange expenses, administration prizes and reference awards in a huge manner. Thus, holding 1-inch symbolic will gives you opportunity to pick genuinely better eventual fate of convention alongside exceptionally other local area part, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Instructions to claim 1-inch token. Go to true1inch.exchange gateway, connect with your wallet. By entering secret key and especially key on right sort of top corner you will track down true logo of 1-inch trade and snap on the symbol. After that new window will kind of open that show equilibrium and guarantee button. Simply click on guarantee button to get 1-inch token in an unobtrusive manner. Note, to in a real sense, get airdrop of 1-inch genuinely token client should have done one exchange before 15 September 2020 or had completed 4 exchanges. All out history of exchange actually worth $20 United States dollars. Liquidity supplier likewise expected to get genuinely token as program stages following early declaration, which basically is genuinely critical. 1-inch token price analysis. Like Uniswap trade, there is another DEX, decentralized exchange, that in a real sense, as 1-inch has been presented in crypto market, or so they in a real sense thought. Specialists explicitly have sort of anticipated that cost of 1-inch symbolic will likewise show a bullish pattern in introductory few weeks after send-off. 1-inch symbolic sort of is currently accessible to exchange from today 25 December 2020. This year 2020 was year of decentralized trades for crypto market, and this 1-inch trade really demonstrated it again not long before year's end. At the present time, 1-inch token is exchanging at $2.65 United States dollars with development pace of kind of over 1000%, or so they for the most part thought. Introductory cost of 1-inch token basically was around $0.2 United States dollars, which especially is genuinely huge. Inside really couple of hours it basically has all things considered, crossed benchmark. Taking a gander at the market cap, 1-inch in every way that really matters, is positioning in top 150 coins, and taking a gander at the pattern in somewhere around couple of days, it will turn out to be important for especially top 50 digital currencies according to advertised capitalization, or so they basically thought. As following unit token airdrop that genuinely worth $1,000 United States dollars every wallet, 1-inch most likely can truly have same certainly worth. In this way, it will be the reward for 1-inch trade most certainly utilizes. Who are the founders of 1-inch network, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking? The 1-inch network was established by Sergej Kunz and Anton Bukov throughout the span of the truly ethicable New York hackathon in May 2019 in an extremely large way. The two basically had before met during a live transfer of Kunz's YouTube channel, Cryptomaniacs, and started entering hackathons together, winning an award at a hackathon in Singapore, as well as two significant honors from the ethicable, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Preceding 1-inch, Sergej Kunz generally filled in as a buy and large senior engineer at item cost aggregator Commerce Connector, coded at Correspondence Office Herzog, drove projects at Mimicum Consultancy, and afterward basically worked all day at Porsche in both DevOps and online protection, or so they in a real sense thought. Anton Bukov in every practical sense had worked in programming advancement beginning around 2002 and in decentralized finance, DeFi, beginning around 2017. Among truly different tasks, his resume highlights DAI.io and Near Protocol in an unobtrusive manner. What fundamentally makes 1-inch network unique? Also, to admittance to most profound liquidity from pretty numerous sources across 7 upheld blockchains, the 1-inch network offers clients alluring costs and a serious level of safety being the most examined project in DeFi. How essentially is the 1-inch network gotten? 1-inch truly is non-custodial, and all exchanges basically happen inside one exchange from a client's wallet on any of the upheld blockchains and layer 2 organizations in a significant manner. The specialized design of all 1-inch conventions gives a serious level of safety to clients too in an unobtrusive manner. For instance, shaky liquidity sources can truly associate with a 1-inch aggregation protocol without clients taking a chance with the deficiency of assets. The convention incorporates security checks during each exchange to forestall any misfortunes in every way that really matters, significant way most certainly. As of February 2022, a greater number of than 180 liquidity sources are incorporated into the 1-inch network. 1-inch truly shrewd agreements got evaluated by driving review groups in the business sort of like OpenZeppelin, Consensus Industriousness, Slowmist, Hetchy Labs, CoinFabric, Certic, Hacken, Scott Bigelow, Mixbytes, and Chainsalting. Where could you at any point purchase 1INCH? After the 1INCH pretty token was sent off in late December 2020, all wallets that basically had cooperated with the 1-inch dApp through 12 p.m. on December 24 got 1INCH tokens assuming they explicitly met genuinely specific measures. Liquidity suppliers for the 1-inch liquidity protocol essentially are additionally getting 1INCH tokens, as per the 1-inch Foundation's different motivating forces and liquidity mining programs. Will 1-inch especially token hit $10, or so they thought? Indeed, most presumably after 2020 in an unpretentious way. How all things considered, much 1-inch coin sort of worth in 2030 in a genuinely large manner. Likely coming to $40 United States dollars mark. Is 1-inch token a good investment, better to really acquire, by giving liquidity through especially top currencies. Within 2 days of send-off, 1-inch exchange token gathered million worth market covers, as we sort of realize 1-inch exchange is one of the most involved decentralized trade after Uniswap in a genuinely huge manner. As stage offer basically better rates and by and large lower trader exchange charges than other Ethereum-based trades. In this way, it previously stacked with a great many clients, and when client began guaranteed symbolic worth in market cap volume keep on rising, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Barely any months back Una most certainly token by Uniswap got enormous reaction, and especially token basically was extremely near reach $10 United States dollars, as it as of now worth close $3 United States dollars as normal cost. Incredibly, 1-inch exchange has recorded certainly in excess of 400 token and expected to add most certainly more in future, so with marking and liquidity supplier stage 1-inch really proceed to generally overwhelm market that additionally benefit for 1-inch by and large token holder amazingly.